Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create a website. But first, I'm going to discuss some ideas of what you can do after taking this course. Number 1, create your own website. Of course, after taking this course, you'll be able to make your own website, whether it be a blog or an e-commerce store or a business website. Okay? Number 2, website setup service. Okay? So most people don't know how to make a website and they would just rather hire someone to create a website for them. And this is where you can offer a website setup service. And you can usually charge a one-time payment or a one-time fee for setting up their website. Okay? Number 3, website management service. Okay? So once you have a client for a website setup service, then you can also offer website management service as well. Okay? So once you already set up their website, okay, you finish their website, they will still need to make updates to their website. Okay, that's because they will need to add new information or new updates. Okay, so for example, there's an upcoming sale, and they will need to announce it on their website. Okay, but that is not included in the website setup service because that's already finished. Okay, so they will still need someone to manage their website for them. Okay, to someone to make updates to their website. Okay, so this is where you can offer the website management service, and you can charge a regular monthly fee for maintaining their website and updating their website. Okay, so number 4, buy and sell websites. Okay, so this is also called flipping. Okay, so once you know how to make websites, you can create a website from scratch. Okay, and make it beautiful, add some content. Okay, make it look professional, and then you can sell it for a profit. Okay, because there are many people who want a ready-made website than to create a website from scratch. Okay, so here are just some ideas of what you can do, but there's still a lot of things you can do after taking this course. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.